Hi guys, and welcome back to Revolution Beauty YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply the new Revolution stick-on nails. These are the ones we're going to be testing out today. They've got cute little butterflies on them and I can't wait to see what these are like because I normally love my acrylics but they're so damaging for my nails and they're not in the best state at the moment, to be completely honest. But stick-on nails are always supposed to be so much better for your nails while still making them look really cute. So I'm going to do a little tutorial on the best ways to apply them and how to make sure they last a long time, because it does say that they last up to 5 days, and I actually tried out the new flame nails and I got them to last a full week, and then I just kept sticking the odd one down if it started coming up, and I got them to last 2 weeks, which is really good. So in the packs you get 24 nails in all different sizes, so you can make sure you get the best fit to your nails, a small, medium and large, and it also comes with a nail glue in the packet and a little mini nail file as well. So I'm going to just show you how I apply them.
And here are the nails. You can literally apply these within like 5 minutes or even less and you are good to go, which I love as I am so impatient when it comes to nails. I do not have the time to be faffing about waiting for them to dry, so I love how quick the application time is. Then inside the box, as I said, there are 24 nails all in different sizes for a custom fit. You can definitely get a few uses out of each box as well, with some spares left over. In the box, you'll literally get everything you need for the application process. You also get some instructions in case you forget anything on how to apply them, but you get your own little nail file in here and also a glue to stick the nails down. And the nail file will just help you prepare your natural nails for sticking them down, which I will show you now. When you're applying your nails, you always want to make sure to start off with clean and dry hands and nails, and also to make sure that you're applying them on a clean, dry and hard surface. So the first step is you're going to take your nail file and just file your nails to an appropriate shape that will not be seen underneath the falsies. So if you have longer nails, you might have to trim them down a little bit first, but then just go ahead and file them. And to be honest, I didn't have much filing down to do because, as you can tell, I am not working with much nail after my acrylics, but I did cut them right down after I got them off, so I'm hoping that my natural nails will start to grow a bit stronger again now, as I said, the great thing about press-ons is they won't damage your natural nails, so it'll be a nice break for them. So then the next step is to go through the different nail size options and choose the most appropriate size for each finger by holding the false nails over the nail bed and seeing which size fits the best. As you can see, this one is a little bit too big for my fingers, so I swapped it out for a smaller one, and this one fits much better and looks a lot more natural. Then I just went ahead and did that for the rest of my fingers, and then I also decided which nails I wanted to have the butterflies on, as the good thing about this set is you can choose and customize it a little bit which nails you want to have the butterflies. So I went for my middle finger and ring finger to have the butterflies on, and the rest of my nails to be the more plain ones. Then the next thing you want to do is glue them down, so you want to just apply a small dot of glue to the nail and then just use the end of the glue to spread it out evenly across the nail bed. And then the next step that you want to do is position the nail slightly above the cuticle, ensuring that the nail is straight, and then apply it. So just press and hold down on the nail firmly for around 5 to 10 seconds until it feels secure. You can do it a little bit longer if you want, just for an extra hold. So I'm just going ahead and pressing down the nails onto each finger until they are really stuck and in place and they are not going anywhere. So when applying the glue, you just want to make sure to be really careful with how much you apply. I definitely think applying a little dot in the middle and spreading it out is the best way to go, as if you get too much, when you press down the nail, the glue will start to splurge out a bit on the edges and get onto your skin, which is not ideal, but you can just wipe it away if this happens. And you don't want to apply too little, as they won't stick as well and for as long. But this is what they are looking like at the moment. This next step is optional and you might not need to do this, but I decided that I would. So once I felt like all the nails were in place and secure on each of my fingers, I went in with the nail file from earlier, but this time I used the other side as it's a bit rougher and I feel like this works better on the actual false nails on the other side. So I just went in and filed away any jagged edges just to make them a little bit smoother, but this is just personal preference. And after that, you are done. These are what my nails are looking like. Super cute. Feel like you can't even tell that they're press-ons, and they're going to last you at least 5 days as well. And if you want to keep them on longer, just if they start to lift up at the bottom, just glue a little bit more and just press them down again and you are good to go. But remember, there's loads of different designs to choose from on the Revolution website. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Revolution Beauty YouTube channel and let me know what you think and if you're going to pick up any of the new nails, and I will see you next time.